Hey everyone, I am Preeti.
And I am Anurag.
We are presenting our project Intelligent Trash Can. Recycling is a difficult task. Different cities, counties, and state have different set of rules to define what is recyclable and what is non-recyclable. This leads to the contamination. Contaminants are mistakenly placed in the recycling bin. Contaminants can include anything from food waste to plastic bag. When this contaminated trash goes for recycling, it is dumped in the ground because it cannot be recycled. The big question is how to reduce this contamination. Generally, this contamination starts at home. Have a look at this list of recyclable and non-recyclable items from different cities: Binghamton, Scranton, New Jersey, NYC, and others. Each list is different and has different items categorized as recyclable and non-recyclable. This leads to confusion and all items get dumped into a same trash can. Therefore, we have come up with an idea of intelligent trash can. This intelligent trash can tell you which trash item is recyclable and which is non-recyclable. You just have to hold the trash in front of the camera and the appropriate trash can lid will be opened. Let's take a look at it.
This is a intelligent trash can that we have built. We have two separate trash cans. This is the bi-camera. On the top of each trash can's lid, we have connected servo motor, ultrasonic sensor, and an LED which indicates whether the trash can is full or empty. Here we have few trash items. Some are recyclable and some are non-recyclable. Let's see how intelligent trash can categorizes them. This is our first item, which is recyclable. Apple, non-recyclable. Plastic bottle, recyclable. Orange, non-recyclable. Again, plastic bottle. Tomato. Plastic bottle. Now let's try actual trash. Let's start with a chocolate wrapper. This is non-recyclable. Then a cardboard, which should be recyclable. Yes, it is. Now let's try some polythene bags. This polythene bag is non-recyclable. Doritos bag, which should be non-recyclable. Paper. Onion. Now let's have a look at another feature of intelligent trash can. Let's fill up the trash can with some trash to make it full. When the trash can is full, the blue LED mounted on the lid of the trash can lights up. This LED indicates that the trash can is now full. Now let's try with the same trash again. As you can see, the lid of recycled trash can is not opening. because now it is full. But if we try some non-recyclable trash, it works fine. Now let's empty the recycle bin. Now the LED is switched off. This indicates that the trash can is now empty. And now it's working fine.
Let's see how we built this intelligent trash can. First, we trained a machine learning model which can detect the recyclable and non-recyclable object. Then we loaded that model on Raspberry Pi. To improve the inference latency, we connected Coral USB accelerator to the Raspberry Pi. Next step was to control the lid of the trash can based on the inference of machine learning model. For that, we mounted micro servo motor on the trash can and connected them to the Raspberry Pi through the servo motor driver. To detect the level of trash can, we mounted ultrasonic sensor on the lid of the trash can, and we also connected an LED to indicate the trash level. Finally, to capture the image of the trash item, we connected a Pi camera. Now let's see how it works. The user holds trash in front of the camera. The machine learning model detects if the trash item is recyclable or non-recyclable. Then the level of the trash in the trash can is checked. If trash can is not full, then the lid is open so that the user can put the trash into the trash can, and after 3 seconds the lid is closed. If the bin is full, then the lid remains closed. These are the hardware that we have used to build our project. We used Raspberry Pi 3 Model B, Coral USB accelerator, which has Edge TPU coprocessor and hence improve the inference latency. Then we have the Pi camera to capture the video, SG99G micro servo motor and servo motor driver to control the lid, and ultrasonic sensor to detect level of trash. We also used LEDs and resistors. Let's have a look on software used. We used TensorFlow Lite for machine learning model as it is well supported on USB accelerator. Then to process the video, we used OpenCV. Program was created using Python programming language. The libraries like ServoKit, Adafruit HCSR04, board and digital I/O to control the servo motor, ultrasonic sensor and LEDs.
To create the machine learning model that can be executed on Coral hardware, we need to follow this process. We have to convert the TensorFlow model into quantized TensorFlow Lite model and then compile it using HTPU compiler to get the model that can be deployed on Coral hardware. These are some snapshots of our code to open the lid of the trash can and measure the level of garbage. We developed this project to help people sort trash at home so that recycling centers can work more efficiently. Our project therefore saves time of people at home, time and money of recycling centers, and most importantly, it helps to save our environment. Thank you.
Thank you all.